Hey y'all, Tamika Jamison here, formerly known as Tamika Newhouse, and I want to talk to you specifically about 5 things that you can do for yourself in any given time. You can repeat this method every week if you would like, but as creators and as dreamers, we have to often pour into ourselves, whatever that may look like. We can't get caught up in routines and goals and things all the time, but and make sure that we are doing things that makes us feel lighthearted, also a little bit free as well. So you want to kind of think about the things that's going to almost like recharge you, right? Give you like a little fresh start. I'm going to go over 5 ways that you can show up for yourself. And again, you can reuse this and repurpose this anytime. Now, if you are an active creator, if you are a dreamer, if you're someone that's stepping into a new career goal, I want you to drop that in the comments right now. Let me know exactly who you are, what you do, where you're from. I am huge on manifestation, and manifestation simply means that I am what I say that I am. I'm going to accomplish and be the things that I say I'm going to accomplish and be. But sometimes, most of the time, you have to speak it to believe it. So with that being said, y'all, drop that in the comments right now. I ain't playing with y'all. Now, let me tell you a little bit about me. I am Tamika Jamison. A lot of you may know me as Tamika Newhouse. I am a national best-selling author. I've written 17 novels, 5 nonfiction projects. I'm in the process of releasing my second documentary, as well as I'm a producer. I'm a visionary, I'm a creative, and I have been doing this full time since I was 23. So almost, 17 years. Now, let's dive into 5 ways to show up for yourself. Number 1, say no without explaining yourself. Now look, every yes to others is like almost like a no, right? So when you're saying yes to somebody, and especially if you do not want to say yes, but you kind of just don't want to be the bad guy, you don't want to upset people, saying yes to them is ultimately saying no to you. And I don't know about y'all, I like me. I prioritize me, especially in this day and age, especially at my age, after the years of just pouring into other people and pouring into projects and raising children, mainly on my own. I'm not saying yes if I don't want to. So whether it is, reclaiming your time, your peace, your energy, stop explaining your boundaries. Like, we only have one mama, and we got a few elders, that we respect. But outside of that, y'all can't tell me what to do. You can't make me do stuff I don't want to do. I don't even care. So a firm no is a self-love, y'all. It really does mean I love me. Period. Number 2, schedule a me first day. Now, I do this for myself also. I actually schedule me first trips. I don't play about me, right? So this is about like blocking off a full day and like treating yourself with an unmissionable appointment. Like you're doing things just because. Like you're going to the spa, you're going to get an IV treatment, you're going to go get a scalp massage, which I absolutely love and adore. You're getting a manicure, pedicure, you're going for a walk, whatever it may be. But it could be journaling. You can binge watch a show. Now I love me a good show, right? It could be something juicy, something like thriller or scary, whatever it may be. Go to a rooftop mixer, whatever it is, y'all. No excuses. Go do something for you. So this is like a me first day. So think about that. Now, I want you to move your body with joy and not punishment. So what that means is we're not really focusing on like physically what your body would look like, but like a snap back out of society rules. Society is going to always have its rules. Society is always going to tell you, do this and do that, pay this, pay that. Everything got taxes on it. Ugh, don't get me started on that. What I want you to do is dance in the mirror. Take a sexy walk in the sun. Do some yoga. Walk your dog if you have one. But make movement and feel like you're free and not disciplined. I love to go on nature walks. So go on a nature walk, especially if it's in, the mountains or the trees or by some water. Go and take a walk. There's a reason why Mother Nature is called Mother Nature. Think about that word mother. Sometimes we just need that motherly feeling, that motherly hug. So Mother Nature is always good for the soul. Now, give yourself a kid-filled day of play. I love that. I love acting like a big kid. Like if y'all ever go out with me and we going dancing, excuse me, I'm going to be on this side of the room, that side of the room, over here and over yonder. I'm dancing all over the room. I love a good dance, going out and having some fun. So I want you to, do something that makes you feel like a kid. Whether you're sitting and, and you're looking at yourself and you're laughing in the mirror. You're reconnecting with things that you used to like to do. Like I used to lay in my bed sometimes and just listen to music. I know it's kind of hard to do as adults, but think about it. Just do it. Go on a trampoline park. Now, those are fun. Don't get hurt, though, y'all. Y'all know as we get older, our bones is not the same. But, having messy art sessions, like go do some paint and sip, eat a bowl of cereal and watch some TV. But, like, really feel the joys of what you felt when you were a child. Tap into that. And then lastly, speak life into yourself like you're the star of your story. And I do this all the time. I actually walk and talk what I'm talking about, y'all. So when I say this, I want you to catch yourself when you talk down to yourself. I want you to catch yourself when you say, well, I think I'm gonna do this. Well, I want to do this. I'm going to do this. Like when you're leaving things up for chance, that's not what you want to do. Like you actually want to be assertive. You actually want to hype yourself up. Like you have to be your biggest cheerleader. Talk like you are the main character in like a superhero movie and you're rooting for that person. And just literally, again, manifest things over your life out loud. I am beautiful. I'm healthy. I'm happy. I'm going to accomplish this goal this week. I am going to get that job. I'm going to purchase this car. I am going to this. I am. Start your sentence off with that. That's simple. Well, y'all, that's all I got for y'all. But I want you to remember that you're the most important person in your life. You're the most consistent person in your life. And at the end of the day, we come in this earth alone and we will leave it alone. We all come here the same way. We all will leave here the same way. What you do in between that time is completely up to you. So whether you decide to want to say, I'm going to enjoy life and I'm going to have a good time, or you're going to walk around complaining and not liking your days, you have the power to change it. I'm rooting for you.